Uh-oh, you're going to have a crash. Oh, cool. Whoa, you're going to go down the hill in a minute. Turn the corner. Round the corner. Uh-oh. Hey, Papa. Hey, Papa. 10 months old. Getting big and getting stuck. Oh, you're stuck in the stone sticks. Oh, dear. Your brother's crawling, walking, isn't he, Ashton? Just like you do. See you later.